In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a session track for Virtual Summit. Here you see this is the dashboard. So the first thing you do is go to Lobby Setup, where you see the Events and Session. Click on that, and then this is where you add the events, providing the title and start date and end date. So that's pretty straightforward. So let me just show you. Once you do that, then you can add the session. In a typical summit, you would have multiple sessions with multiple speakers. Here you have one session starting at 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Pacific time. So let me just show you what it looks like. So let's say John Doe. So I want to set up another session. So let's say it's 10 a.m. and to 11 a.m. Now, one thing I forgot to mention, that you should have your Hangout link already set up. So that's another video on that. I'm not going to go through that right now, but you can look for that information. So that's about it. That's pretty straightforward. Let me just submit. So I just set up another session track. So you can actually review that just by clicking on the lobby. So here we have the session track for different dates and time. So I hope that helps. I think this is really a great way to bring all the different speakers together for a virtual summit. So instead of having a regular webinar, you can do it anytime, any day with the platform. Thank you.